My lovely child, you don't know who you are. That is why it is easy for people to control you. You always ask people what you should do. You need their approval for everything. Open your eyes so you can see Saturn is using people to control you. You are not a puppet. You are not a child. You know what you want. Saturn wants people to make decisions for you. He wants you to be a slave to them so he can control you through them. You are chasing the approval of man because they hurt you. You cannot get yourself back through people. You have to find yourself in God. Saturn used people to attack you when you were a child. So you will always try to find yourself in them. He knows if you continue to look for yourself in people, they will make you more insecure. You cannot find yourself in wrongly people. They will continue to break you. It is like you are asking a blind man who you are. How can he tell you who you are when he cannot see you? He cannot see himself. You are looking for yourself in people who cannot see you. People who don't know God and are chasing worldly things. Do not be fooled. Everybody who talks about God is not real. Just because they go to church does not make them real. You need to get around people who know Him. People who help you heal and grow, not pull you back into the world. If you stay in the world, you will never be free. Type yes if you agree with this, and also